Welcome to Perfume Emotions. It's Mani again, and it's Lacoste Match Point again, Lacoste Match Point EDP. So today we are going to do unboxing, authenticity check in parallel as well as full review. So let's start doing the thing. So first of all, we need to look towards the cellophane paper. So cellophane paper must be meticulously applied over the box. So it is there, here. You can see how meticulously it has been applied. It's not soggy, it's not foggy, it's not rough at all, no breach, nothing. So this was checkpoint 1. Checkpoint 2 is to go to Lacoste website and try to find out images or video of this particular perfume box. How does it look like? However, perfume companies changes their boxes time to time, so it's not like 100% authentic or 100% unauthentic, but it will give us some idea about the authenticity of that perfume. So I have done that and I found that yes, it matches the whatever it should be. There is, now look towards the bottle, look towards the box. Over here in front there is a Lacoste logo, name on the top, logo on the bottom, barcode, batch code is embossed, so it will be difficult to be seen by you. It's difficult to be seen by me as well. However, it will become much more clearer when we do unboxing and we will find same sort of code on the bottle. Okay, so now shall we start unboxing? Sorry, I missed one checkpoint. So we should be aware about the notes of the perfume. So when we spray it or try to smell it after we open the bottle, it should be in sync with the notes. So top notes in this perfume is citruses. They are not specified which sort of citrus, and black pepper. So I will get citrusy, spicy sort of opening. In middle note there is gentiana and cardamom, so again sweet, spicy and floral sort of note. And in base note there are vetiver and patchouli, so it will be herbal and earthy, woody sort of perfume. So okay, so very good, nice bottle, green environment and environment friendly bottle. Yeah, so yeah, it is quite enjoyable. So there will be box in a box in most of the perfume, and it might be considered as an authenticity of perfume. So yeah, it is that. Now it's the bottle. So it was difficult to see for me the batch code over here, so I think I will be able to see it. Yes, it is. Two, 3, 5, 4. Okay. So batch code is 2354. So now I have entered the code, and it shows that it was produced or manufactured in 20 December 2022. So yes, it has at least 19 months validity. I'm lucky. So usually Lacoste fragrance, they have mentioned that once it opens it has 3 years validity, but if you go to certain website it will say that only validity of this. Now look towards the bottle. It's having darker sort of green juice, yeah, and on box on the top there is crocodile. There is not crocodile inside. Now another authenticity check. Try to spray, should not spray any juice for at least 1 spray. No, yes, so it has spray it. Yes, it is citrusy. I'm not getting spicy aspect as of now. Let me apply it to my arm and see. Okay. So opening is as expected, but as not expected as well. I was expecting some sort of spicy, but it's not spicy, it's mainly citrus. Maybe citrus is overpowering spicy notes. Okay, so I'll be back after 3 hours or 4 hours and we'll do full review. So let's start full review. First we'll talk about the scent profile. So in opening, as I told you, it's more like citrusy. I didn't get any sort of spicy vibe. However, in dry down, I got spicy vibe. I'm not sure whether it is because of pepper or whether it is because of cardamom, but there was spice in dry down. And slight sweetness was that, nothing more than that. And after that it became more of like woody and soapy, foggy sort of scent. I would say that it smells reasonably close to original, means to the EDT. However, it is having some mature vibe. I'm not sure what brings maturity in this perfume, but there is some mature vibe which which is a faint line between smell of Match Point EDT and smell of Match Point EDP. If we talk about performance, I would say that if EDT and EDP both are running, they won the match at the same time, or they will lose the match at the same time. So in conclusion, they are having no difference in terms of performance. Don't think that because it is EDP it will be lasting longer. No, it is not going to last longer. It is lasting as much as EDT. Okay, so it is around, longevity is around 3 to 4 hours. The sillage is arm length, projection is arm length, so there's nothing much to be different between these two. If we talk about emotion, whether it can cause any emotion or create any emotion, I would say that no, because it is having very limited sillage, intimate sillage and poor longevity. I would not say that it is creating any sort of emotion. It is pleasant in the beginning. That pleasant feeling will last for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then there comes boredom. So for emotion wise, nothing much to invest. In terms of personality, it will be suitable for person who likes like mature sort of smell. So person who is conservative, they would prefer such sort of smell. It is not mischievous, naughty or anything like that, so it will not attract teenager a lot. If we talk about like whether it is formal wear or whether it is casual wear, I would say that yes, it is a very good daily wear. I would say it is a good fragrance for everyday wear, office work, because it is like clean, pleasant, refreshing, as well as aromatic. So definitely person can wear it at the workplace and it will not at all offensive, unless it is offensive to them. Otherwise it's not offensive at all. So yes, it's very easy to wear, so it can be used daily. I would not recommend it to keep reserved for some particular occasions or date night or jumping or driving or anything like that. No, this is not that sort of smell which is unique and should be reserved. And now we'll talk about which weather. So I would say the best weather would be summer or hot weather, because again, it is clean, refreshing, citrusy. Yeah, so it will help you to survive in hot weather, whether it is worth the money or not. To get that answer, I would need to do like parallel sort of review of EDT, Match Point EDT and Match Point EDP, because they share some similarities. So we might need to deduct one out of them, or we may need to think about who will be the best person to wear particular fragrance. Yeah, because eventually I feel like it's not recommended that if you have EDT you should purchase EDP, or if you have EDP you should purchase EDT. Yeah, so just to save the money, we will need to decide which one is worthy and for whom. Yeah, so, and my other plan is that although I found it quite similar today, however their notes are not that much similar, so I will try wearing Match Point EDT for 2 days consistently, followed by wearing EDP for 2 days consistently, and then we'll get together and we'll decide which is the best. Okay, and just keep in mind, Perfume Emotions' main objective is to give you happiness. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.